I should have cleared some paint off. Oh shit, them niggas sprinklers going insane.
Oh god.
Should look like a fucking fire hydrant.
What's going on?
Oh, it is a fire hydrant going off. Somebody broke that bitch. Oh, it's a pipe. These niggas' water bill about to be expensive.
Stabilizer bar links. What could it be?
Oh shit. Fuck you doing back here? Niggas is back here cooling it and shit. They smoking. Go. Fucking.
Were they smoking?
They was smoking. Yo, them niggas got shook. Let me hop out right quick. Alright, boy, you remember this spot if you watched the Ford F-150 video. Fuego! Watch out, nigga!
See, yeah, you my dog for real. It's guarantee we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.